Alright, last box. Pretty light. Let's see, I think we're done with our caliper. Not much there. Pretty bouncy, whatever it is. There's another taillight in there, who knows? Something light and big and bulky. Oh, it could be an air cleaner. It's heavier than an air cleaner. Good packaging. Saves you for the bounce test. You get that camera blown way up? Nope, it's not. Oh, here we go here. Still don't know what it is. Usually I know what it is by now. Taillight. Should have it right. Oh. Oh shit. Sending me notes. Big fan. Watching my crap. Thanks for the order. Boom, bing, 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 bing. I've been something taillight for many years, whatever it is. Some guy named Joe. Hey Joe, it's your taillight. Let's see what I think of it now it's in my hand. Okay. Good packaging. It ain't broken like the last one I got. So this is another one of those early ones. And this one's really, really thin. The other one was broken. So this is not as good quality as my other one. It's been buffed on a lot more chroming. It's busted down here where the screw goes in there for holding it on. Looks like they put a bolt in here to cheaten it up. So this is going to have to be probably all epoxy and a stud into here to hold it. There's enough thread there to still hold it, so epoxy the piss out of it, JB weld it, still make it work. If you want to have a chrome one, this is a nice good chrome one, I guess. It's glass, that's good. That's plastic, not good. Modern rubber pad probably. Alright, let's see what's underneath this thing. Let's see what we got here. So this is a 47 when they went to this taillight. They had a screw-on license plate bracket, which is what this is because it's got the wide space hole. To rivet the ones were closer together, so we know this is an early one. So it's 49 and earlier. 47 to 49, if not 47, 48 only. We know it's original because it has the, right here you got the guide written in here, patent number and all that, made in USA. We know it's a genuine Harley. Condition's kind of so-so, but the last one we got was all original parts in there, which was really nice, but I think it was missing the rubber right here, so we got a nice rubber. It's still rubbery. So I can make this into a nice one. The body's not, there's too much polish on it for me, but besides, I'd paint it black anyway. So I still like the one that's broken better than this one. Okay, let's see what we got inside of here. It's stuck on, so it's got a good seal on it. Hear the glue popping off. What the hell? There's all that crap everywhere. Tape in here. What the hell? It's like lead tape. Weird, never seen that inside of a light before. It's almost like it's molten in there, but it's tape, I'm guessing. Yeah. Well, they don't have the spring that holds the lens in, so it's all taped in here. So it's kind of rigged up a little bit. It's all right. We got springs. Yeah, so everything's taped together. That's why I have so much glue on it holding together. The bracket looks original. The rubber looks really, really nice. It's a nice rubber. It's nice and soft. Might be a reproduction. Maybe they reproduce them now. I don't know. It's a really nice one, so I'm good with that. It's not broken in here, so it looks good on that respect. Where'd they put that bolt through there at? Yep, up inside there, underneath there, there's a bolt head band jammed in there. Alright, yeah, the body's not too bad. So that's busted out there, but it's enough in there to tap it down all the way to the very bottom with the bottoming tap, put a stud all the way down, and JB weld the piss out of it, and you'll be fine. So it is a good original tail light if you like chrome. The chrome's not too bad on it. You know, it's older chrome, so it's, you know, it's a vintage look. So it's good for that kind of a looking bike. I'm not sure. There might be a broken screw off in here, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think there's a broken screw off inside of that. That's going to be a problem getting that out. That's why it's not there. You have to drill that out with a hardened drill. Be lucky to get that out without making it too bad. Yeah, let's see. There appears to be some flap of material there, so maybe they tried drilling it already. Who knows? All right. Well, for me, it's just guts. But you know, I can make a thing out of it, I guess. You can make a light out of it. Put a repop glass lens in it. Now, is the frame original or not? That's the key. These are definitely glued in there. No numbers, reproduction. So it's all repop. So there's no value in this. You can buy these brand new for $5. Big deal. Okay, I don't care. That's garbage. We don't care about that junk. But this is original. The rubber's really nice. I like the rubber. That's good. The lens is glass. That's good. It might be chipped here a little bit, but it's all right. On top, it looks good. And that rubber is really, really nice. I keep saying that rubber's really nice. I like that rubber. I don't remember these being cut like this here. Something's going on with that. I'm not sure what. But anyway, like I said, I can make this into a nice early tail light if I like chrome, which I don't, but I can make it into that. Oh, they got a hole over here for some stupid reason. That's stupid. That I get some kind of like aluminum screw or something to put in there and plug it up and polish the screw head a little bit so it'll be shiny and leave it at that. Or you can put a little brass in there. A little brass won't look too bad either. But, yeah, whatever. You want to leave it open. That's stupid. But overall, it's pretty good. It's not broken around here. That's a plus. Like I said, that hole being... That's the worst thing about it, is that hole, if it's actually got a screw broken in it. So, alright, not too bad. Kind of about what I expected. I saw it was kind of broken looking. The picture wasn't too awful good, but I could see there were some issues down there that were kind of hidden in the light. Lack thereof light. Yeah, bad screw. Alright, I'm just putting that enough to hold it. I'm not going to get too carried away with that. I keep buying lights and eventually you get enough parts to make a good one out of it. And the junk ones, you just put the parts off the side. And next thing you can put reproduction stuff on like this and make it look okay. But if you want the real deal, you can't be using this reproduction crap on there. Alright, at least it's original lights, so that's a plus. Alright, not too bad. So like I said, that's a 47 to 54 light, and it's going to be a 49 and earlier. Definitely 47 to 8 was that style, 49 maybe. 50 definitely had a later light on it. Alright, that's it for that. We're good.